So guys, so I just missed something really weird. Yes, the red Jamal is a Jamalade aviator hat. But look, Animal Jam updated. What the hell? It updated last Thursday. What is going on? But anyway, let's read it. It says, Great Horned Owls. Is this time of year magic? Well, you need only believe. The Jamalidays have a surprise up their sleeve. Great Horned Owls have landed by chance, and any amazing bird is worth a second glance. These unique owls start taller than their peers, with feathers called plumicorns that look like their ears. These look really cool, but I'm running really low on diamonds, so like, get me, fill in. Anyway, let's see the next one. Pet Arctic foxes. The winter coats have come in. It's a sight to behold. Pet Arctic foxes are back, unprepared for the cold. They love to make snowmen. They're ready to play. Put on your snowshoes and adopt one today. Oh, pretty cool. And here we have daily Jamaliday gifts. The Jamalidays are a special time for a reason. Every day you log in, get a gift to celebrate the season. These festive items come round only this time of year, so stop by every day to get your fill of Jamaliday cheer. Anyway, yeah. It's pretty cool. And here we have Jamaliday items. Jamaliday shipments are well on their way. Expect 2 or more items coming into shops every day. Oh, cool. And here we have coming soon. Something new is coming. We're not quite sure when. We're receiving reports of a new winter den. Guys, oh my god, this is really, really, really cool. And here we have 2018 in Jamar, The Strange Stone. At the end of 2017, the Alphas recovered a strange stone from deep inside a sunken city and placed it in Alpha headquarters for safekeeping. Then it suddenly vanished. The culprit turns out to be one of them own, the Alpha Greely, who sought to return the stone to the land it rightfully belonged to. With the help of Peck and the Riverside Adventure, the stone was returned to the Riverlands in the northeast of Jamar. I'll be checking that out. Here we have a retail gift card bonus and the Animal Jam shop. So do we need to go into like Belush or something? Oh, I don't know. Wait, what did it say about it? Is it like a new adventure? Like, I don't really understand that. I mean, like, cause I'm pretty dumb. Oh, okay. It's a new. I don't know. Oh, okay. I see what's going on here. Anyway, these are like, they look beautiful. Thanks. Yeah, I can't afford one at the moment, but I will be getting one. But I really need to go to. I really need to go to. I'm just gonna go to an empty server. I can't believe I spent all my diamonds. I mean, oh my god, the Jamaliday rainbow glove. Could it get even better than that? I mean, come on. You can do better. Oh my god, guys. I know, is Animal Jam starting to update once now every Thursday? Because they're going the right way about it. I really want to buy it. I really could not add animal. Why? Because I haven't got the time. God. I'm gonna see if I can do like a glitch and get it for gems. Probably won't, but you know, it's worth a try. You know, it's get me. I can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. Why is Animal Jam releasing stuff and we don't know about it? Oh, it's sad. It's really, 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 really sad. Oh my god. They have a Jamaliday designer skirt. What the hell? I'm so not buying that. It's too good. Sorry, just sorry. But yeah, wait, what is it? I'm sorry about. Wait, what does it say? Uh, let's go to Alpha headquarters then. It says something like Alpha headquarters, but then I really can't remember. Oh yes, it suddenly vanished. I remember. Yeah, and then it says like the culprit turned out to be one of them where the really thought to return the land to it rightfully belonged to with the help of him. Yeah, see they're basically why can't it just be a new adventure, The Strange Stone? A new adventure hasn't come out for ages. I'm getting tired. But anyway, guys, pretty cool. We also have Pet Arctic foxes. But yeah, we'll be doing that in the next video. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!